901 New Dock in Terminal Island has come a long way since its opening in February 1962. Now a part of the SA Recycling family, the 901 New Dock location is one of the most successful recycling facilities in the entire United States. SA Recycling is an innovative scrap recycling company recognized by its industry peers as a world-class leader in the metal recycling and processing industry. SA Recycling operates more than 50 recycling facilities, including 2 deep water port facilities in the Port of Los Angeles and Long Beach, 4 mega electric shredders, the largest all-electric shredder on the West Coast, and feeder yards located throughout California, Arizona, and Nevada. SA Recycling gathers and shreds metal from cars, appliances, railroad cars, the heavy trailers used to haul containers, old non-port compliant trucks, any type of industry machinery, city scrap such as old bridges, rebarb and I-beam steel from demolished buildings, and other metal items that people may use every day. The industry positively impacts the environment by recycling scrap metal, which takes away the need for virgin materials in the ground and the polluting process of making ore into pig iron. This reduces greenhouse gases by 90%. Throughout the past 50 years, Terminal Island has grown to over 27 acres and has exported over 31 million tons of scrap metal. To produce the equivalent amount of metal by using iron ore, it would take 39 million tons of iron ore out of the ground, 22 million tons of coal, which could have significant impacts on the environment when burned, and 2 million tons of limestone. The metal recovery plant has also saved millions of tons of non-ferrous materials from ending up in our landfills. In the beginning, the facility on 901 New Dock expanded and cemented its future with state-of-the-art stormwater and dust filtration systems, electrification of its main pieces of equipment, and the retrofitting and repowering of all of its equipment to make it the most environmentally friendly facility in the nation, if not in the entire world. The reduction of emissions in the port is a top priority to SA Recycling. We have made incredible progress in this area over the last several years. With the installation of a regenerative thermal oxidizer and other air pollution control devices, including a custom-made dust collector and scrubber, we have become the leader and innovators in the recycling industry and port operations. Our regenerative thermal oxidizer is one of the most important systems we have installed on our shredder to date. It removes most of the VOCs emitted from the shredding process and is a prime example of a company that believes in the right thing to do. We are the first company to install an RTO on a shredder in the United States, and we believe in the world. SA Recycling's longest and most successful employee of 44 years, Pancho Rojas, recalls the way it was in the late 60s and 70s when the facility was processing under 100,000 tons of material a year. A huge difference from the millions of tons the company is recycling yearly today.
I started in this company in 1968. I started as a labor, and right now my position is plant maintenance manager. I'm very proud to work in this company and to see all the changes that we did to improve this company. Now we have all these machines, as you can see it, the mega shredder, the cranes. Before in 1960 we used to have only cable cranes to move the material. Now we have hydraulic cranes to make it easy and also to load the ship. We run in these machines under computers. Everything is computerized. So it makes so easy to run the machines, not like I said, like before, like in 1960s and 70s. So I'm very proud to work in this company. And I hope that I can work another 44 years in this company.
Working in this facility for over 20 years, almost 21. Just thinking, going back 20 years, see the improvement and the changes happening in this facility is just amazing. But one of the most important things is 50 years of this facility, 50 years. The employees that are working for over 40 years, that tells me that the importance for this company is the number one asset, the employee. Definitely employees with 40 years, we have a handful of them now, and also we have 1/3 of our workforce are over 35 years. And I'm really proud of that because that means the consistency, the loyalty, and the dedication to work in this facility for all those years.
Today, the port locations employ over 200 union and non-union workers. The company's long-standing employees have been able to advance immensely in their careers at SA Recycling. They have offered their ideas that have enormously advanced the company's processes and technologies. One of their most innovative processes at the Terminal Island location is their industry-first sorting system, which has improved their ability to separate and recover aluminum, brass, and other non-ferrous metals from shredded ferrous materials. Determined to be good environmental stewards every day in every way, every employee at SA is commissioned to look for ways to improve their practices in the scrap metal recycling industry. Their joint effort among employees and management has resulted in the company taking a leading edge in the development of new methods in metal recovery, dust control, air purification, solar energy, and stormwater management. SA Recycling's stormwater management program is also among the very best in the industry and serves as a model for industry standards. SA's recycling air purification system is among the very best in the industry. We use an air pollution control system which in itself has an efficiency rating of upwards of 98%. Not only does SA Recycling feel that it is important to innovate through environmental initiatives, but it is also important to be there for the community in which we are a part of. SA Recycling believes and supports the community in various charities and nonprofit organizations that touch the lives of thousands of community members in the San Pedro, Wilmington, and Long Beach areas. Through growth, innovation, and people, Terminal Island has risen to become a premier scrap recycler. They will continue to celebrate its many feats and accomplishments for the next 50 years and beyond. SA Recycling. Recycling redefined.